Okay, so go ahead and press pause and create this graph. Just to make it a little more clear, here's a point and there's a point. All right, so this is an example of where you can't really say for certain what the y-intercept is. We can take a guess, maybe it's less than a half, but there's so many things less than a half. So my y-intercept is kind of hard to tell. So in this case, this one we would do option 2, which is writing in point slope, and then moving on to slope intercept. Your first step is still going to be the same. You are still going to find your slope. All right, so we take 2 points to find the slope. This is 1, 2, and then I'll go ahead and take this point up here just to stay all positive. You could do any 2 points. You could do this point right here, this point down here. Doesn't matter, but I wanted 2 positive points to make it just easier on myself. Okay. I'm going to set this up for subtracting. Do not forget the minus. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. Yes, it's positive. Yes, those are positive. I'm good this time. Here's my fraction. Simplify if I can. I cannot, so it's just 2/3 is my m, or my slope. All right, so again, up here we found the y-intercept. Here, it's not so easy to tell. So what we are going to do is instead first go to point slope form. Let's hope I have enough space. So point is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So I get to choose one of these points. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to go with 4, 4. This is x1, this is y1. And I substitute into my equation. So y minus 4 equals, I put my m, so it's 2/3, x minus 4. I should probably done that. That's my equation in point slope form. But then to go even further, I'm going to change this to slope intercept form. And again, we've done this already. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute the 2/3 to the x and then the 2/3 to the negative 4. So I get y minus 4 equals 2/3 x. And then 2/3 times negative 4 is negative 8/3. Okay. Then I'm going to add 4 to both sides, and I add it to only the constant. So that's gone, so we have y equals 2/3 x. Then I can just put this into my calculator. Negative, which is down here, 8/3. I use the fraction bar for the, the division sign for the fraction bar, plus 4. But I want to change that to a fraction. Math, fraction, which is number 1, enter, positive 4/3. So plus 4/3 is my answer. Okay. Next, we're going to move on to inequalities.